Hello, what's good guys? I welcome you guys back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn up your post notification bell for you to get notified when I drop an amazing video like this. And if you are a returning subscriber, kindly like this video, comment and share to others for it to go viral. In this video, I'll be taking you through the apps in which you need to start your forex trading career for you to level up. The first app you need to have on your phone or on your laptop, on your system, is the TradingView app. The TradingView app, your MetaTrader 5 app, your MyFX book for the news, and the Japanese candlestick patterns. You need to have this basic app on your phone. The first one, the TradingView app. Firstly, you need to go to your Apple Store or your Play Store for you to download the TradingView app. Like this, you go to your Apple Store, then you search for TradingView. You search for TradingView. Then, because I already have it on my phone, it shows updates. So, for you that you didn't have it on your phone, you have to download it. So you download it on your phone for you to get access to it. This is the app in which you take your analysis. The app in which you take your analysis for you to know whether to buy or sell your currency pairs. In my previous video, I told you about how currency pairs work, how they coin them, in which we have GBP USD, GBP JPY, a lot of pairs like that. The TradingView app helps you to take your analysis whether to predict, whether to buy or you sell. For example, the one you're seeing on your screen right now, this is where I take my analysis. Let me take you to a plain chart because these are some rough works. The Euro JPY. As you can see, this it's a plain chart. For me to predict whether to buy this pair at this particular time or to sell this pair at this particular time, I need to take my analysis. I need to predict the analysis from here. I need to predict the analysis from here. So this is where I predict whether to buy or sell by introducing different types of tools like my trend line, or the horizontal line, a lot of tools like that over here, or my buy position or the sell position. A lot. This is where I predict whether to buy or sell a commodity, which is forex or any stock or futures you are planning to trade. This is where I take the analysis. So as you can see, it's a plain chart. This is where you predict whether to buy or sell. So the second one I'll be telling you about is your MetaTrader 5 app. The MetaTrader 5 app is where after you predict whether to buy or sell on your TradingView app, you come back to your MT5 or MT4, determine on which one you have. You go to maybe your Play Store or your Apple Store. So then you search for your MT5 or MT4. MT5. This is MT5. See, I already have it on my phone, so this is why it's showing updates. I have it already on my phone. You have to download this, or you download your MT4. The MT5 and the MT4 are similar, they are the same thing, but the MT5 is more upgrade to the MT4. I'll show you in this video the importance of this MT5 to MT4. The MT5 is more upgrade than the MT4. Let me show you. This is where you predict. In your MT4, in your MT5, you predict where to buy, or you place your buy position or your sell position on your MT5. Like you can see, I have some of my forex pairs here, like GBP USD, XA USD, GBP JPY, Euro JPY, and Euro JPY, Euro GBP and Euro JPY. So I come to my chart to press buy or sell, whether to buy whether to buy or sell after taking my analysis on my TradingView app. As you can see, I have some position start here already. These are the position. So some are in profit and some are in drawdown. In no little time now, I'll be in profit. So this is where I buy or I sell. In this app, after you take your analysis on your trading view, you come to this app to change your lot size. You change it to anyone you like, determine on your risk appetite. You change it to anyone you like, ranging from 0.01, which is the lowest lot size you can use to trade forex, ranging from 0.01, which means in every single market movement you make 10 cents on every single movement, or you lose 10 cents if it goes against you in every single peak movement. We humans, we move in form of steps, while market itself move in form of pips. If the markets move in your favor, it's just a single step, you make 10 cents. And if you like, you can change it to a standard, to a mini lot size, which is 0.01. In every single movement, you make $1 on every single movement. If the markets move in your favor, you make $1, and if it moves against you with just a single step, you lose $1. Like that to one standard lot size. In every single movement of the market, you tend to make $1. You tend to make $10 in every single movement, and if it goes against you, you lose $10 in every single movement. This is how it works. And we have this position right here. We have the buy limit. You can set it here. You can set your buy limit. The buy limits are orders. You tell your brokers that in any time price move to this position, trigger me in. I want to buy this market. Like I have some buy limits order. Give me type please on GBP USD. Let me check it out. GBP USD. I placed this buy order yesterday because I'm thinking market should come to this point before going back up. So I might not be in the market. I might not be with my phone. So I'm telling my broker that anytime price come back to this level, kindly buy for me, because I know price is going to tap into my level before going back up, because you are in a bullish market already. So I place it here and I place it on XAUUSD. So I'm telling the market, anytime price come back here, kindly type me inside. Kindly tap me in before going back up. So this is what I'm literally saying. And we also have buy stop. We also have buy stop, which means anytime price got to this level, tap me in, because I know price is still going to move further up. So we have it like that. And we also have the sell. We also have the sell stop, which means whenever price moves downward, kindly tap me in, because I know price is still going to keep moving downward. We also have sell limit. The sell limit is when you tell your broker, anytime price go to this level, tap me in, help me sell this market, because I know price is going to drop. Price is going to drop. So some of the importance of this MT5 is that whenever you start a lot of positions, with just a single click, you can close your position, which is click on this three dots right here, click on it. So you see close up position, you see close profit position, close losing position. You have this like this. So to your MT5 and to your MT4, there's no this feature is not there, because you can't close it. You have to close it manually, one after the other. You have to close it one after the other. And you can see when I click this also, when I tap it, you see the block operation. So close up position, close profitable position, close losing position, close buy positions, close Euro JPY position, close Euro JPY position, buy. So you can literally close it here manually, or close up position with just one single click. no matter how heavily stacked you are, with just one click you can close it all. So these are some of the importance of MT5 to MT4. So another app you need to have on your phone is this Japanese candlestick. You can go to your Apple Store or your Play Store to search for this Japanese candlestick pattern. So this is the app. This is the app where you get the basic knowledge of forex trading. I have this app on my phone already. Let me take you there. It's the app where you get sorry about that. In this app, so okay, my apologies. So I guess I can't open this app due to the screen record. But in this app, you tend to learn the basic knowledge of forex trading. Like there are a lot of courses in the app that you can learn. You learn about the fundamental aspects, the technical aspects, and also you can also buy and sell there also. Yeah. You can also learn about candlesticks. A lot of content in the app. So you need to check it out, guys. For you to level up on your trading career, you need to check on the app. Check it out, guys. And one more app you need to have on your phone, which is the app is my FX book. It's my FX book. You need to have the app on your phone because it helps a lot. This is where you determine your fundamental aspects. So my FX book. In this app, you determine whether there's going to be a micro or a big news in the market. So it helps you. It tells you that this so time or this there's going to be a news in the market. So you have to be careful during that time for you not to get shorts. So because this news, it tends to move markets dramatically. News move market dramatically. Any single movement during news time, any slight mistake, you tend to make a lot of money and you tend to blow your account. You tend to lose a lot of money. But with this app of my FX book, you try to avoid the market during the news hour, not to shoot yourself at the leg. So it's a nice app. You need to check it out. In my next video, I'll be talking about the fundamental aspects, in which how to read the news and how to imply them to your charts. I hope these videos helps a lot. So you need to download this video right now. You need to download the apps I talked about, which is the TradingView app, my MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 app, and the Japanese candlestick with my FX book for you to level up your trading career. So I hope this video helps a lot. So kindly please like this video, share to others, and subscribe and follow for more. Thank you guys. I love you.